coach having that positive energy, really rooting everybody on to do better and to play better, trying to help everyone all the time. It's just helped us out.
Were you all pressing a little bit? Were you trying a little too hard, do you think? Some people?
Maybe. It's tough to say, but starting to get better and better every game.
What about a short turnaround? As a veteran, how do you kind of get some of the young guys? I mean, you don't have much time before you play Saturday night.
Right. Just making sure we take care of the little things in practice and we come tomorrow ready to go. We don't want any messing around, nobody thinking that because we won by 40 that we're going to win by 40 the next game. So we got to go in and go to work just like any other game.
Best game of the year altogether?
I would have to say yes.
Lucas, you say better and better. What are you getting better at? I know obviously passing was
everything. I think making it a complete game. When we played Central Florida, we passed and shot the ball great. We played SMU in the first half. We played great defense. And tonight we kind of put most of that together.
Seemed like